Ready? Hello friends, this is Bharat Kumar, the voice modulation trainer at this voice modulation workshop. It was great working with these guys. We had 3 participants and believe me, all of them are very talented, and you will somewhere down the line in the coming years or maybe coming months, you might see one of them or 2 of them or all the 3 of them singing cartoon characters. Have an honest feedback from these participants. We'll start with Vivek, and I must say Vivek is really great as far as stand-up comedy is concerned, and he has a great bass voice. So let's hear it from Vivek. Yes, Vivek, how do you feel about this workshop?
Oh, I'm feeling amazing. I was always interested in voice modulation. I used to search on YouTube, but I never got my answers. So, one fine day I just saw something on Facebook that, there's a voice modulation workshop happening. I gave Bharat a call. I had so many doubts because I was curious that whether will I be getting what I really want to learn. And I'm really satisfied. I am very happy I made this choice. And it is really going to help us in our future. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, Vivek. And definitely we will see Vivek in the coming years, maybe coming months on television or some stand-up comedy show or something or the other. You will definitely find him at least on YouTube. That's for sure. Yes. Moving on to our next participant. She is a girl who is very much influenced by cartoon characters. And believe me, guys, if you just listen to her cartoon character voices, you will just fall on the floor. Okay, so let's hear it from Raksha.
First of all, the experience of last 2 days will be the best, and it will remain the best for the rest of my life. I had so many doubts, and as I told Bharat that I was always fascinated by the cartoon voices, so I thought about choosing voiceover artist as a career option. And the way he explained each and every technique was so important and was so helpful. So I'll try my
Moving on to one more participant who had left her singing practice long back, but when we heard her voice in the studio, I didn't really find it. Okay, so let's hear it from.
Currently, I'm in somewhere down the line I want to pursue it professionally, and today we see there's so much competition out there, and if you're not prepared, no one will let you stand in front of them. And I've experienced this so many times that I just sang 2-3 lines and no one was interested, and then I just walked away. So if you really want to go ahead, you need all the preparations, you need to be competent. Even today I'm looking out for many other trainings from wherever possible, and today's training was today and yesterday's training was really helpful. I understood that I have to work on my diction, my pronunciation, how to stand while recording, and lots of things like that. And these small tricks are really important if you want to make it big. So thank you so much all the time. So thank you
You
so
will
much.
keep me in your mind. I will keep all you guys in my heart. Okay, so that's not a problem. So friends, if you are interested in joining this workshop, you can call us, and you can also contact us through our Facebook page, and we have our website www.voicemodulationtraining.com. And if you have any doubts, we tag our participants on the Facebook page. You can contact them through our Facebook page if you want to know their feedback. Okay, and guys, thanks one more time. It was great working with you guys in the last 2 days, and it's a long journey.
Yes.
Let's live it together. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Bye bye. Jai Hind.